Hi y'all, it's Ashley back with another simple recipe. Today we are making sunny side up eggs where the yolk is runny and the whites are firm. This is a recipe you can make in 10 minutes and it's super easy. I'm going to teach you how. Grab your small frying pan, put it on the burner and set your burner to low heat. So that's in between the middle and the low dial markers. You want to grab about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of margarine or butter. Don't use oil because if you use oil, the edges of your egg will be very crispy. If you do want a crispier egg, of course, go ahead and use oil. But that's technically a different type of egg than the standard sunny side up. So you want to distribute your butter on the pan evenly and let it melt on the low heat. If you're watching this on YouTube, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more simple recipes. Now your butter is melted. Just a reminder that all my social media links are in the description. Please follow me. At this point, you want to grab your egg, crack it, and split it onto the frying pan. And you want to do this very low and close to the pan so that your yolk does not split. Be very gentle when cracking your egg because we want to keep that yolk intact. Don't remove the eye part, that little white part that you see for this recipe, because you don't want to break your yolk. And if you do remove the eye, your yolk will more than likely spill. Y'all, I just learned that white part is a calaza and just keeps the yolk in place and is safe to eat. LOL. You want to turn your burner up to medium heat and let the egg whites turn white. So let your egg cook on medium heat. Hey y'all, I know you're gonna make the bombest sunny side up eggs after you're done this tutorial. Give this video a like. Once your egg whites have essentially turned white, you can take a cover for your frying pan and cover up the egg. You then turn your burner down to low heat once again and let your egg cook on the stove for about 1 minute on low heat covered. Hey y'all, share this tutorial with your friends. After about a minute, you want to check on your egg for its doneness. If it doesn't look quite ready to you, go ahead and cover up your egg once again for another minute. After that minute, go ahead and check on your egg again. Now y'all, I slightly overcooked my egg. I was a little afraid of the yolk being too runny because I don't like any liquids bursting in my mouth. So I cooked it to the doneness that I like, but of course you want to monitor your egg, and you can take your egg out of the pan at the point where you can shake the frying pan gently and the egg whites don't jiggle. So I'm just checking on my egg once again. You can see that the egg yolk is clearly still runny, so just make sure you don't cook your eggs to the point where the yolk is firm. After about a minute, I go ahead and check on my egg once more. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less compared to some. So I'm doing the jiggle test. Of course, the egg whites are firm and the yolk is still runny. So I take my spatula and gently lift my egg off the frying pan. So much for a non-stick pan. This egg is stuck. But anyways, I gently remove my egg so as not to break the yolk and place it onto my plate. Of course the yolk did run a bit, but it's essentially still intact. So I decided to make a sandwich. You can make your sunny side up egg and eat them in a burger or on top of ramen, but I wanted to make a sandwich today, so I'm toasting my buns. Now season your eggs after they're removed from the frying pan, so you don't let your eggs sit on the frying pan too long while you're doing stuff to them. So add salt and pepper once your egg is removed from the pan. So I'm assembling my sandwich now. Look at that runny egg. I'm adding sliced turkey pieces, not cooked because I wanted to taste the fresh meat slices, and I was in the mood for cold cuts. Make sure you garnish your egg with some fresh parsley. So I'm just adding a drizzle of Diana sauce and mustard to my sandwich. And this is your sunny side up egg. Alright, here it is. Not the runniest, but again, I did not want any liquids bursting in my mouth. I don't even like fruit gushers. Anyways, the sandwich was a 7 out of 10. Nothing special, but definitely hit the spot. And the egg itself was, of course, a perfect 10 out of 10. It tasted great with the parsley and was perfectly seasoned and nice and soft. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next simple recipe.